Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Monday, August the 14th, 2017. All right, so the news has been heavy on what's been happening with the Charlottesville, Virginia situation. I did a video this morning and I dealt with some of the ramifications of that. And I just have to tell you, I mean, I did warn everybody about this weeks ago about this political situation. And yeah, I believe it was a psyop and it was pre-planned. I already went through all of that. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. It is what it is. Um, Moving on. All right, looking at silver here so far for the week. Very narrow in trading. Not too much going on just yet. It's early, so not a lot to look forward to just yet. But we do need to close above 1668 this week in order to carry over more possible upward momentum to get us back into the Kumo cloud up in here. All right, and that's the mid $17 range. So we'll see what can happen with that. The bearish 2-bar Charlie in gold futures played out nicely today. Market did exactly as anticipated. Further pulling back here. Should get a possible bounce sometime tomorrow. More than likely, we'll see. Even if the market stays negative for this week, then that bounce should come by next week. And we just need to close above 1271.30 on this one. So far, not a whole lot to talk about. Looking at the Dow futures. Dow futures is green for right now. Market is recovering from last week's sell-off. And right now, the 22,132 is in play. So we'll see what happens on this one. I do believe it's going to take out the old highs. If not this week, then possibly next week. Pretty much the same thing here on the NASDAQ 100. We got green on the screen. And there you go on that one. Looking at the US dollar index, 93.46 is where we ended up so far. And you can see the market is still weak, still trading below the trend line momentum, which is at 93.82. A close above 93.82 will negate the downtrend and start a possible dead cat bounce. Where is the dollar likely to go? 9,600 is the initial target if the market gets that bullish momentum that it has not been able to get in months. All right. Taking a look at the euro now. Okay. So far on the euro, we are in pullback status. You can see the redness. Market just needs to close above 117.34 this week. And the spillover bullish momentum will be intact. If the market does decide to pull back, we'll know because we're close below the weekly momentum line, and that opens up downside back all the way to 113.90, which is trend line support, first support. All right, that's where that correction will lead. And if the dollar's going to get that that bounce coming in this week, then that's where you'll see the euro definitely begin to slide based on that. So we're watching to see what happens. All right, taking a look here at crude oil, which has been virtually at a standstill, nothing really happening. All you're doing is retracing this ginormous move, this parabolic bar from July the 24th, the week of July 24th, and that's all you've been doing. All right, and the market's right here below, right below the trend line support. So needs to close above 48.09 this week in order to put it into the downtrend channel. and then start to bounce back up again. But if not, then you're probably going to get down to about 45.26. I'm sorry, 46.26. So we'll see. We'll see what happens on this one. But right now it's looking like it could get a bounce. Looking at the long bond. Long bond is 155.03. It's holding that 155. Mad resistance at the 155 level, which is the trend line resistance. All right, market just needs to close above 154.12 this week, and it'll carry over this bullish momentum and be on its way to possibly 160. We'll have to look and see. The Bitcoin space, GBTC, $765 a share. Finishing up the day, $123.45 a share. That is some move right there. So market is looking rather sexy. BTSC also decided to break out, but then pulled back into the close, closing at 14 cents. All right, it needs to close above, I'm going to say, it needs to close above 21 cents, man. That will put an end to the downtrend, and then maybe this market can get going. All right, we'll see. It definitely has enough open interest and enough daily volume to do it. If it can stay above 9 cents on the close this week, then it'll probably be able to do it. All right, just needs to close there. We'll see. I think that's it. That's all I need to cover for now. Boring day, not too much going on. In the Bitcoin space, though, Nvidia closed up 12 bucks, so that was a monster move. Trying to make a run for that 174 high on its way to 200. I did say 200. I told you that before, so my opinion hasn't changed on that Nvidia. Let's see here. What we got on extended hours. Yep, still the same. So not too much going on. Not too much at all. All right, so we'll see, man. There's so much news coming out. I do not have the time to go over all of it, so I'll just give you a cursory glance. Bank of America has filed for over 20 blockchain patents. All right, I told you, central banks are coming, dude. The Nasdaq's Nordic exchange seeks to patent blockchain data system. Let's see, what else? Russia's Ministry of Health is launching a blockchain pilot. Let's see. Singapore's central bank issues an ICO warning. Let's see here. Microsoft, JP Morgan, and more demo blockchain boosting technology. So I told you, the central banks and their cohorts are coming. Medical Society of Delaware is testing blockchain to improve healthcare access. Illinois is in a trial blockchain right now to track medical licenses. All right. UK police want to change the law to make Bitcoin seizures easier. All right. A research office backed by a number of UK police groups has proposed changing the country's laws to make seizing Bitcoin holdings easier. All right. They want to now seize your Bitcoins. I'm telling people, it's so much going on right now. Can't cover it all, but I just want to throw that at you. If you're not already done so, come to postwavetrading.com. Sign up for the weekly Postwave price triggers. When you do so, you get unlimited access to the Learning Academy and learn the secrets that the central banks do not want you to know. Learn how to master the crypto space. Learn how to master Forex. Learn how to master commodity futures and stocks. Become a boss. Be your own boss. Create that additional income stream for you and yours. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back to these greedy central banks. Peace.